Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create space in Quora. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Following, Answer, Spaces and Notification. Go to Spaces. Under Spaces, you can see at the top there's Create and Discover option. Tap on Create there. You can see it's gonna ask you to name your space. Go ahead and type in the title for your space there. Once you type that, go ahead and tap on Brief Description. Then go ahead, describe your space, then tap on Create from the top right corner. And in a couple seconds, you can see they're gonna ask you to invite contributors to your space. You can send an invite or simply skip that part. And guys, that's it. That's how you create space in Quora. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.